In this video, we are going to break the statement in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for break the statement in Python. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code before proceeding. The if statement inside the loop checks if the current value of I is equal to 5. When I is equal to 5, the break statement is executed. This causes the loop to terminate immediately, even though the range of values has not been fully exhausted. Now let's run the code. And you have demonstrated the break statement in Python.